Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you how to connect Quest 3 to PS5. Here are the step-by-step guide to exactly know how to connect Quest 3 to PS5. To connect the Meta Quest 3 to PS5, you will need to install Virtual Desktop into your headset and the PS Remote Play app on your PC. Then consider these steps. Number 1. From your PS5 home screen, open up your settings. Then in settings, go to system, then open remote play. From there, make sure the enable remote play option is tick on. Then go to your PC and sign into PSN on the PS remote play app. Then click on confirm and continue. Then select your console to proceed. Then click on OK and the PC will start searching for the PS5. Then put on your Quest headset and open the virtual desktop app. Once your desktop is being displayed, click on the PS remote play app. You should now be able to see your PS5 screen being displayed on your headset. Take note that connecting your Quest 3 this way does not allow for any virtual VR gameplay and that you still need to use your PS5 controller to play. The PlayStation 5 is capable of playing virtual reality games, but Sony has their own VR headset for the PS5 in the form of the PSVR 2. You are better off getting the Sony made headset if you are looking to experience virtual reality exclusively for PS5 games. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.